Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Greg from the FutureMaker Lab, here to do another how-to video. We go out to high schools and middle schools and we talk to students about career technical education. So today we're going to talk to you about riveting. And so the things we want to start off with is we want to make sure that you're safe. So you're going to wear safety glasses. And we also need ear protection because these tools can be quite loud. So let's see if we can get these on. There we go. Now we're ready to rivet. So what we're going to start off with today is our drill. This is an air-powered drill, and this is our drill guide. So a drill guide is used to help us drill a straight hole. So you're going to take this part right here, and you're going to put it right over the tip of the drill, just like this. Okay? And now you're going to come over to our part that we want to rivet, and we're going to pick our spot and drill a hole. So once we've got our spot picked out, we want to be moving the drill guide flat against the metal. Once it's flat, go ahead and pull the trigger and drill the hole. Okay, now that we've got our hole drilled, we want to grab our rivet. So this is called a 3/32 round-headed rivet. It's the smallest rivet we'll use, and we use it mostly for safety reasons. In the aviation industry and in a lot of other industries, rivets can be in many different sizes. But we're using this one today. We're going to insert that in the hole that you just drilled. And now you're going to grab our rivet gun. And you can see it's already set up for a round-headed rivet. And we're going to pick up what's called a backing bar. Okay? It's just a solid piece of steel that we use to rivet against. Okay? So the rivet gun always goes on first. Make sure it's level and straight. The backing bar comes in solidly behind it. And then when you're ready to rivet, it's just 2 quick pulls of the trigger. Tap, tap. Just like that. What we want to do now is we want to show you how our rivet does. So what we have in the industry is we have a tool that helps us check out and certify that the rivet is good. So we have holes here on our guide, and that will help us decide the width. And we have slots here that help us decide the height. And so the first thing we do is we look at our rivet and we make sure that there's no damage around the rivet head or the rivet itself. And then we'll flip over to what's called the butt of the rivet and we'll take a look at that. We want to make sure that rivet's flat, and then we're going to check the height. So we're going to take the high end of our rivet guide. We're going to go right over. So if it goes over, we met specification. We're going to take the low end. And if we don't go over, we met specification. So our height on our rivet, really good. So now we're going to check our width. So now we're going to take the wide side and we're going to move it right across like that. And if we go through, we've met the width requirement there. And now we're going to take the narrow side, and I shouldn't go through, and we passed specifications. So this rivet is an excellent rivet. Well, that's about it for us today on our how-to video on riveting. I hope you really enjoyed it. I love riveting. I think it's a lot of fun. Please come and visit us at our website at www.futuremakerlab.com, where you can see a lot of other cool things that we're doing right now and opportunities that we could bring to your school right at this time. So make sure that you pound that like button and subscribe, and we'll be looking for you in the near future. Thank you.